Hello everyone. Let's delve into our stock rewards checking account via Strata Credit Union. By toggling to the left, we can access our stock rewards program. By clicking on rewards, we're directed to the rewards module. Here, for every transaction or debit card swipe, we earn 1% back in stock rewards. These stock rewards are chosen from a predetermined list, visible on the left. Scrolling down, we can explore the various stocks we can choose to be rewarded in. Currently, Apple is selected. To select a different stock, for instance Amazon, we simply click on it and select the stock by clicking Select this stock. Scrolling down, we can learn more about Amazon, including company information and other statistics. Scrolling up, we can view the rewards accumulated over the account's lifetime, over this month or the previous month. Currently, the threshold for these stock rewards is $5. Once we accumulate $5 in fractional shares, we can redeem the stock. For example, by clicking on NVIDIA, we can see that we've earned $5 in stock rewards, and it's ready to redeem. By clicking on Redeem $5 of NVIDIA, the redemption is successful, and the shares will appear in our bits of stock portfolio within 2 business days. Let's now explore our portfolio. By going to the left navigation bar and clicking on Portfolio, we are taken to the Bits of Stock Portfolio module, where we can view all our holdings and a chart showing their performance over different periods of time. Our current holdings are in NVIDIA, primarily earned through the redemption of stock rewards. Clicking on our holdings, we can learn more about them. For example, we can view our position, learn more about the company, review statistics, and get news about the stock along with our trade history. Now let's go back to our portfolio to see how to buy or sell a stock. By using the search function, we can find any stock we want to buy shares of, such as Tesla. Here, we can learn more about the company and its statistics and then decide to purchase fractional shares. Let's say we want to buy 1 cent of Tesla stock. By clicking Buy, an order summary is generated. We can then confirm the buy order and press Continue to submit the order. Now, if we return to the portfolio, our shares of Tesla are reflected there. Having explored our portfolio, let's navigate over to Documents. This is where we can access our monthly statements, trade confirmations, and tax documents. Clicking on the different tabs here will filter for the corresponding document types and let you download them to your device. Once we return home, we can view all of our account information again, which concludes the tour of your new Strata Stock Rewards checking account.